Hello everyone, this is my review of the ParmCrisps Everything Cheese Crisps. You get that classic everything seasoning taste, right away savory, garlicky, and slightly salty paired with real cheese. It's bold but balanced, and you can tell it's made from 100% real cheese instead of artificial flavors. The crunch is excellent. These crisps are light and crispy with a satisfying bite, not brittle or crumbly. They hold together well, whether you're snacking straight from the bag or using them as a topping. I also love that they fit perfectly into a keto or low-carb lifestyle. They're high in protein, gluten-free, and low in carbs, making them a great alternative to chips or crackers when you want something crunchy but still want to stay on track. Overall, if you want a crunchy, flavorful cheese snack that fits a keto or low-carb lifestyle and still feels indulgent, these everything cheese ParmCrisps are definitely worth trying. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.